Hey, what's up? Here is John Peaks, and this is another tutorial for this amazing video A project. Thank you for repurchase this one, and I hope to see you soon for the next one. Then, in the past tutorial, I show you the amazing options that you can use in this project. But the most amazing thing that you have to know is that you can insert and rig your own car in this universal rig RAP template. Then now we're gonna show you how to import a car from the library of this project, or and in the same way you can insert your own model, maybe a model that are not in this library that I have update on VideoAve, or that you will not find in the coming soon library that I will update on VideoAve. Then I remember you to stay tuned, because in the coming month I will update new models, new cars. Maybe I try to update something with motorbikes and so on. Then let's go. The first thing that you have to find in this project is this E3D layer and the effect scene stop, and then after that you will see this element3D interface. Remember, this project work with element3D 2 from 0 and so on, then 2.1, 2.2 and so on. Then you will find your own your library into Cars 3D that you find it in the project folder, then you will see something like this one, element 3D, okay, and cars E3D. You have to insert this car E3D folder into your favorites element 3D. The first thing that you have to do is add external folder, and then find the location. In this case is where you insert this project, and where is this car element 3D folder. After that you have done the thing, you will have your car E3D into this favorite location. You can simply copy this car element 3D into the video copilot element 3D, the first folder you will find in the document folder, something like this one, video copilot models. And if you pass the element 3D folder that you find in my project, you will have that in this position under models. Then so we will go on and we'll open the folder cars element 3D, and I want to insert this Jeep model. Okay, if you purchase some other library, you will find these folders. Then all the car that was licensed from Jeep will find into Jeep folder. Then in this case we have the first one, that is Gladiator, because I like this model so much. But maybe in the coming soon I will insert something like Wrangler or Explorer, or another model from Jeep production. Then you can click on Jeep. Remember to bring this folder, put it out, and set it. You will see that the model are inserted. and set it first. Okay, this way Element 3D into your After Effects project will read all the layers into this folder. Remember, the most important thing that you have to do is to import it. Don't insert it into another folder, but place it in the root and set it 1. This is so important for make all this project work with no problem. But if you have a problem with this operation, or if you have problem creating your one, don't be afraid to contact me and ask me how to solve your problems. Then, okay, I'm going to show you how these folders work. In this folder, you have this layer called DIMA that give you the size of your car model. In this case, this one go a little bit out of the DIMA because it's a very big car, okay, and but this is the size of all the models. Then in this case, I want to switch off this one and import another car like this Jaguar. This Jaguar, okay. I bring it out. Okay, remember to don't insert more than one model at a time, because this project will work with only one model at a time. Maybe in the coming soon update, I do something for have more than one car into the same chain, but in this case we have only one car at a time. And then you will see that still in this layer we have DIMA, and in this case DIMA stay into the car size. Make it different from this one that I show you. Okay, remember about this DIMA. Then I will delete this one because I want to show you the Jeep. Then the first thing that I'm going to show you is that we have all the part of this car in this folder insert separately, are separated from folders. In the body, we have the body of the car. We have separated it with 2 layers from one obj. This is the same obj but separated from the color of the car, because we want to make this car paint texture work very well using a box repeat UV map. But if your model still have a UV, you can move this one from box to UV. In this case we don't have a UV. Then if I move it, we'll see that we will not have this well made. Oh, sorry, no, it's not this one. Box repeater preserve aspect ratio. We are working with this one. This one is on. If you move this one from box repeat to UV, you will see that it doesn't work. Okay, but if you have an UV done, you will see that this car paint effect will fit very well. Okay. Then, and in the second layer, in this body, we have all the other part, like the plastic part and the rims and the light. and so on. And we have back wheel, S6 front wheel, DX front wheel. Here in these three layers or folders, we have the tails OBJ models that allow us to make our car steering and wheel rotation. In the back wheel, we have the rotative and S6. In this case, I don't use this S6 back wheel because I have a unique front wheel, and I have activated the symmetry. In this case, if I switch off the symmetry, you will see that we have only these tiers, this tier, and the second one is activated from the symmetry. But if you want to have a separate control of these two tiers, you can simply duplicate this one and pass the lead into this position. Remember, an important thing that you do when you are inserting your tiers is that you have to separate the brakes. In this case, we have it here, the brakes carb from the tiers, car. Okay, this allows you to do something like this one when you will be in After Effects. The tiers will rotate without influencing, and you will see that the brake disc will rotate without influencing the brake block. Okay. The same thing from the front wheels. In this case, front wheels are obligatory separated from two folders, and in the same way of the back wheel, we have front wheel brake, block, and the front wheel tail and wheel, and in the same way this allow us to rotate. Remember to insert the rotative wheel into rotative. Allow us to rotate the wheel. Then for the car rigging is all. I think that this can be useful. Okay. For the materials, I suggest you to insert if you want to create your own car, I suggest you to contact me and make me do it if you don't know nothing about using Element 3D or After Effects, and I will do it for you. But if you want to do it on yourself, you can use the material of another car. Then you will import one of these cars, and in this case, Element 3D will add all this material to your car, to your Shane material library, and then use this paint car for the paint car of your car, for example, or this glass for the glass, this one for the brakes, this for the tiers, and you will see that you will do that operation very, very fast and quickly. Okay, thank you for purchasing this JumpX project, and I hope to see you soon. for the next one.